and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And in today's video, I'm finally going to be sharing my rolling project pan for 2022. I've been rolling project panning since I believe 2018. Well, I did a use up 18 in 2018 video. But the year after I started my rolling project pan, which I think the first year I did a 10 pan because I was only participating in that project for the most part. And then I've been rolling project pan ever since, but that's just my journey with that, of course. But yeah, I'm going to be doing another project pan. So for my rolling project pan this year, I'm again going to be doing 6 products just because I am participating in quite a few projects. I'm in the It's Panning Cats and Dogs project, the Woman Who Rock project pan. Those are fantastic ladies projects. Then I will be also participating in the Partners in Cream Deca panning, and then I will have a pan that'll shadow. So I'm participating in quite a few projects, so I am going to just only be doing 6 products. I might up it a little bit eventually. Maybe, maybe not. And I also want to this year, I want to do something new, and I want to kind of keep track, like, in a document what I'm panning when, just because, like, I feel that a lot of time when I use things up, I kind of forget how many products I used up, and I want to kind of keep track of that. Like, I have a notebook. It's like my strictly, for the most part, my panning notebook, and I have, like, every month I'll write things down. I keep track of tallies and all that kind of stuff in that notebook, but I kind of want to even be more organized than that. So yeah, well, let's just get right into what I'm panning and stuff. Okay, so first off, I do want to get into panning powders again. I'm going to be doing my makeup and inventory numbers within the next couple of weeks. I might film that next week. We'll kind of see, but I want to get into panning powders again and stuff just because I feel like I have a lot, so I feel like I need to get into that again and stuff. So I decided the first one I would work on panning is the Huda Beauty sugar cookie, I guess that's what it's called, the faux filter baking powder. So this is what mine's looking like and stuff. I'm trying to show you guys like the actual like powder, like where we're at. It looks like that's how much is left, but obviously each side differs because that side looks really low and stuff. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and also do close-ups of all the products so you guys can kind of get an idea of what they look like and stuff. But I have been real into another setting powder, but I want to get back into this one just because I feel like I've had this a while. I've had this since I believe this summer, maybe not the summer, maybe sometime last year. So I feel like it's time to go through it and stuff. I think it's time. I can't remember if it was last year or if it was the year before, but we've had it a bit. So I think it's time to go through this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And yeah, this is going to be a use up goal. I'm going to have a mix of different things in this project. I think for the most part right now, I'm going to have all use ups, which is kind of crazy. But my other projects will be a mix of like use ups and number goals, and some of them will be just number goals, so it's kind of fun. But yeah, I want to use this one up, and yeah, that's gonna be the first one we're gonna be working on. Next, I also want to work on the NARS Laguna bronzer. This isn't cruelty free and stuff, so that's kind of why I want to work on it. This is what it's looking like. So we don't have much progress, but I think I could use this up in like 4 months, which cruelty free news brands like Wet n Wild, Physicians Formula, First Aid Beauty, Dove, Herbal Essences, those brands are now cruelty free. Cruelty Free Kitty just posted about it. I did post about it on my Instagram story. Like, I shared Cruelty Free Kitty's post. I just thought that was a perfect moment to mention this. So like, they just passed this on in China, so that way basically it's huge where now brands aren't required to test on animals. So, but it only works for certain brands. I don't really know how much on the law, but I just know it was passed. I'm definitely gonna be looking into it more, but that's exciting. So I'm super excited by Wet n Wild again because that was like one of my favorite brands when it before it went non-cruelty free. I believe that was in like mid 2018, maybe 2019, and that was so sad. But anyways, that was a side note, a major side note, but I want to work on this because it's not cruelty free and stuff, and I want to work on this to get out of my collection. And I'm thinking I might want to do something where I like sort my makeup products based on cruelty free status. Maybe I'll do that and stuff, but most of the makeup I own is cruelty free, but I'm trying to lose the non-cruelty free stuff. And yeah, so that's what we're looking like. And so next I want to work on, this is actually an e.l.f. compact, but it isn't e.l.f. This is a highlight that I repressed. It's Covent Gardens from Ofra, and I really want to use up all the Ofra products because I just don't support the brand anymore. If you don't know why, or if you want to know why, just look up Ofra and like the controversies, and you'll kind of understand why I don't really want to support the brand anymore. But this is what we're looking like. There's not really a lot, and I don't think this will take me that long to use up, maybe a couple months and stuff. It's a really pretty rose gold. I've been really into my Rare Beauty highlight, which I'm wearing today, so it's gonna be hard to part ways with that, but I'm gonna, like, I don't restrict myself when I pan, so I have many highlights I'm panning, but I kind of go back in between all of them, so that'll be fun to work on for sure. But yeah, that's what we're looking like, and we'll kind of see how it goes. So then I have my Tarte Salt lipstick in here, which I believe was in my project last year, and there's not really a ton on this. I feel like I didn't work on it that much, but I do want to work on it more this year, and there's not a ton, so I'm hoping to be able to use it up. And we'll kind of see, but I'm definitely going to make more of a goal to use this year. And stuff. I don't really have much to say on this, just that I really want to work on it and I really want to get that used up. And then the last two are sort of random, but I want to, in this project, have like skincare, hair care. I want to have it all, so that's why this is in here. So I have the Tarte Maracuja oil, and as you can see, it's pretty much at the top. I don't know if you're actually going to be able to tell a lot, but it is more towards the top. I will insert like pictures and stuff, but I would say it's about right there. And I want to use this up, and my skin's actually been drier, so I think this will actually be a good thing to work on. And there's not a ton in here. It is a mini, but I do want to work on this Maracuja oil from Tarte. And then lastly, I will be working on a lotion. So I'm going to have either a lotion or perfume in this project, and I'm going to work on those. And the one I'm going to be working on right now is actually in a pharmacy, the brand Pharmacy's like tub, and this is Winter Candy Apple. I have more Winter Candy Apple, but I have no idea where my tubes of it have gone, which is super annoying. So I will combine those in here when I do, but I basically just mixed this with my CeraVe, and I made myself like a DIY body lotion to make it more of like a thicker consistency. So I want to use this up, and I have like that much in there, and I really want to be able to use it. So I'm going to be working on that, and I'm just really bad about moisturizing in general. So I think if I can like use that, that would be great. And Winter Candy Apple is probably one of my favorite scents, and I'm not buying from Bath & Body Works just because of the fact that they don't clarify their testing status, animal testing wise, and it's just really annoying because it's like, if you are cruelty free, why wouldn't you mention it? You know what I mean? So they're like, they don't really answer, and if brands, like if Cruelty Free Kitty reaches out to them, they don't like respond, which is super sketchy. So I'm panning that for that reason, and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be my rolling project pan for 2022. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know what you're panning this year also down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Lots of panning content is coming, and just lots of things are coming. I have so many videos I wanted to create this year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!